guys, it's Sunday morning here in Toronto. It's Victoria Day. It's long weekend, so spend time with your family. So me and Malo, we gonna decide what we gonna cook. Nagki-craving ako ng lumpiang Shanghai. So Malo wants to cook lumpiang Shanghai for this week. So prepare natin yung mga ingredients. Okay, so grade natin yung mga vegetable na kasama, yung carrots, yung potato. Lagay na rin tayo ng mga seasoning. Okay, after natin ma-prepare lahat ng ingredients at seasoning, mix natin siya hanggang sa mahalo lahat. So magbalot na tayo. So eto na, almost done. Magpiprito na ako. Here's the finished product of the lumpiang Shanghai. Okay, Malo wants some vegetables, so we decided to cook the rapini. So we make ensalada. Here's the finished product. And then our dessert is guava. So bumili si Malo para sa akin ng guava. So hiniwa ko siya. Yan ang dessert namin. Happy yummy tummy!